Hey guys, I hope all is well. This is John at EB3.Work, and I wanted to get in a pre-Christmas, pre-holiday EB3 processing time update for you. So let's get into it. The first step in the EB3 process is the PERM. And if you just Google PERM processing times, you will get to the Department of Labor website. It looks like this, flag.dol.gov, and scroll down to PERM processing times. And just notice the date and the date that it was updated. And you want to wait for the analyst review and the priority date. So right now, the Department of Labor is approving PERM cases filed in September 2023. So run a 15-month processing time for PERM cases. The next step after the PERM is the I-140. And this is a filing with USCIS. So after you Google I-140 processing times, you will get to the USCIS website. Click on that. It looks like this. And actually, it looks like this. Sorry. And click on I-140. And then form category unskilled worker, EW3. And then Texas Service Center, get processing time. So the I-140 regular processing is about 9 months. That's been pretty consistent. The final step, the step 3 of 3, is the either consular processing or adjustment of status. And so we look to the Visa Bulletin. So Google Visa Bulletin, this is what it looks like. Click on the upcoming month, scroll down to employment-based preferences, and you'll see the other workers category. And there are 2 tables, final action dates and dates for filing. Click on this little link here, and it tells you which table to look at. So for January, use dates for filing. So we'll come back, go to the dates for filing table, other workers, and this is unchanged from the last few months. So what this means is that if your PERM was filed before May 22nd, 2021, then you can apply for adjustment of status. And you are close to the end of your EB3 process. So this is a quick run through. We're hoping for faster processing times in 2025, and we will keep everybody posted. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or visit us at EB3.Work. And have a great holiday season, and we'll see you in the next couple weeks or in the new year. Take care.